Hey sandwich lovers! Welcome back to another delicious episode. Ever wondered how to make the perfect BLT? You know, that classic sandwich that's simple yet so satisfying? Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to elevate this classic to a whole new level. Trust me, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. Get your aprons on and your taste buds ready. First up, the ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of hearty white bread or sourdough. The bread is the foundation, so choose wisely. 4 teaspoons of softened unsalted butter. This will add a rich, creamy texture. 3 tablespoons of our special sandwich sauce, recipe coming right up. This sauce is the secret weapon. 2 pieces of crisp lettuce, 2 juicy tomato slices. Freshness is key here. 4 thin slices of bacon, half a ripe avocado. The bacon adds that irresistible crunch, while the avocado brings creaminess. And a dash of salt and pepper. Simple seasonings that make a big difference. Alright, let's make that sandwich sauce. In a small bowl, combine half a cup of mayo. This is the base of our sauce, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. It adds a tangy flavor and smooth texture. And 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. This gives the sauce a bit of a kick. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper. Seasoning is crucial for balance. Whisk until smooth and pop it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. This helps the flavors meld together. Now the bacon, cook it to your preferred crispness and transfer it to a paper towel-lined plate to drain. Crispy or chewy, it's up to you. Cut or tear each slice into halves, making 8 perfect strips. This ensures every bite has bacon. While that's cooling, lightly toast your bread. Toasting adds an extra layer of flavor, especially if you use the bacon fat. It's a game changer. Once toasted, spread each side with softened butter. This makes the bread even more delicious. Time for assembly. Spread about 1½ tablespoons of our sandwich sauce on each slice of bread. This sauce is what sets our BLT apart. Top 1 slice with a couple of crisp lettuce leaves. The crunch is essential. Add your tomato slices and sprinkle with a pinch of salt. This enhances the tomato's natural sweetness. Layer on the bacon strips to your liking. More bacon, more flavor. Next, add those creamy avocado slices and a touch of pepper. The avocado adds a luxurious texture. Place the second slice of bread on top and gently press down. This helps everything stay in place. Pro tip, use a sharp serrated knife to cut the sandwich in half. This keeps all the fillings in place and makes it easier to eat. No mess, no fuss. And there you have it, folks. The perfect BLT sandwich every time. It's a masterpiece of flavors and textures. Crispy bacon, juicy tomatoes, creamy avocado, and that killer sauce. What's not to love? Each bite is a symphony of flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends at Kraystar Flavor King. Your support means the world to us. Is a BLT better toasted or not? Toasting the bread adds an extra layer of flavor. For even more flavor, toast the bread in the bacon fat. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Thanks for watching and happy sandwich making. Enjoy every bite of your ultimate BLT.